So we know if we have a set X and a probability distribution on the set Px, then we know if we look at the entropy of the random variable x, then it's bounded by the logarithm of the cardinality of the set x. Furthermore, we know that if f is a function of x, so that x hat is equal to f of x, then we know that h of x is greater equal than h of x hat. Then we have defined that the rate is equal to log of the cardinality of the set over n. Therefore, we have that n times r is equal to log x, and of course we know that log x is greater equal than h of x, and here we know that this is greater equal than h of x hat.